Tag Precision has an incredible patent that lets us retain our fibers mechanically on both sides. So we've got steel on both sides. There's CNC machine to fit in this side, and then steel set screw on the other side. Reliable, over 50,000 rounds fired through a single set of fibers, no failures, incredible. But beyond the patent and the CNC machine work that goes into these to create that pocket and all that extra work is the materials we choose. So there's two major materials used, and I have both of them here for fiber optics. But first I want to talk about what we're most concerned about. So in this case, we're looking at impact resistance. They're about the same stiffness. You can see they kind of both a little bit floppy when they're this long, but they're very similar. What we're most interested in is, are they going to break? Imagine a piece of glass. It's very stiff. If you hit it with a hammer, it's going to break. Take a piece of tin foil or lead. It's very flexible, but it will take impact very well. You can hit a piece of tin foil with a hammer and it still kind of looks like a piece of tin foil. So what I want to show you today is the difference between the fiber optics that we choose and that many of our competitors choose. So this is a typical competitor fiber. It's a lower temperature product, less expensive, and it can also melt, which is important because many of them need to melt them into their sites, which is ironic. As firearms get hot, you don't want them to melt. You can see if we just bend it, it breaks very easily. So the material we choose is a bit more expensive. It's also high temperature. It won't melt, which is good because we don't need it to, nor do we want it to in a firearm. We can do rapid fire tests and have no fiber issues. You can see where I've actually bent it on the end a little bit here already, but you can see it's pretty flexible. So how flexible is it? Well, pretty much as flexible as you want it to be. We can go all the way around this thing, practically tie it in a knot. I mean, go all the way around this whole thing. Let's make a loop. Look at that. No breakage. High temperature fiber, highest quality products. None of this cheap stuff. You know, this isn't going to work. Put it around a screw, breaks immediately. This is junk. But they have to use it because they have to melt it, so it has to be low temperature. And they're also not willing to pay the premium costs for the material we use. On top of that, before we even install these or sell them to you, we CNC machine them on a Swift lathe. So what's coming out of Tag Precision is far and above any other sight company. Best materials, best process, patented. Get yours today at tagprecision.com.